Everything is wet. Okay. Oh shit. It's wet. It's rusty. Not good. Let's go from the other side. Okay, no dead mouse. Oh shit. This soundproof is stick to this carpet. I don't want to unscrew the handbrake because the car is sitting a little bit on the hill, so I have to try. Okay, here we go. Boy, the dust. Okay, yeah, nice. Well, okay. But still we have to figure it out how to do the carpet around that piece of shit. I'm sorry. I have here scissors. And I will cut a small line. I don't know if I will use this carpet anyway, because it's mold and stinky. That's much worse than I expected. Okay, anyway, let's try to do something. Okay. Oh man, beautiful. I don't have to cut it. Just make hole for himself. Amazing. Ah man. Let's get this piece of shit out of the car. Okay. Nice. Nice, man. Beautiful. It's rusty. It's wet. That's not good. I have to remove today headliner, or I don't know, maybe the trims from the ABC pillar, but I have that. It has sunroof, which the white project has not. Well, I have to think what should I do next. Okay, but first let's take this moldy carpet out of the car. Amazing. Next is this, I don't know this thing, but what it left, because it's completely destroyed. I don't know if I'll be able to restore this one. Neither new piece of this is, I think you cannot do that because it's not in the market. Next, here we have another this. Oh, this is the cable management. I should leave it just like here. Oh, it's a little bit sticky. Oh man, it's completely destroyed also. Oh. Shit. This one on the center console is fine. Maybe I will. I keep this one, from the center console, but it's completely. Oh. It's very fragile also. It starts peeling off immediately. Oh, there's dust over here. Okay, okay, from the center console. Okay, here is the cut, and a lot of rust. What's this? Oh, it's just a hole. Okay. Okay, this will go straight to the garbage because it's totally destroyed. I wouldn't. This one I leave, and this is going right to the garbage because it's red, it's destroyed, and everything else. Maybe this one I can save. Well, or maybe not. It is the same sheet as the driver's side. Oh no. But I would like to save this one, even if it be cut, or I don't know what else. Oh man. So let me show you the floor of the car. So just a big hole, a little bit mess, some type of colors, red, blue, oh sorry, red, white. There is rust. There's a fucking bolt which can I unscrew. Actually, I am very lucky that I don't have to restore this car because it is much bigger mess than the white project. Oh, this is removable. Oh my god. This, it is the place where you can leave your foot, and I think it shouldn't be removable. Well, anyway, I remove it. here are the parts. I'm taking them home. Here is the car. This is the donor. Yeah, the red one. Firstly, I bought it because I want to restore the car, but the car hasn't papers. Actually, not papers, not just valid papers or something, but no papers. There is a VIN number which is totally rusted, and other plates are missing. And here's the main project, the other Alfa Romeo, but it has also some problems, as you can see. Ta-da! There is totally missing wheel arch and a little bit of seal. Not much, but it's a shame because this seal is absolutely in the perfect condition. There is not a little bit rust. From the other side, this seal is much more damaged. It was repaired, actually welded, somebody, and not the best job. I think it has crashed on the B pillar because it is welded too. And the mindset of this project of these two cars, this has valid papers and everything, good engine. This has bad engine, little smoky, not papers. It has interior. This one is without interior, just without windshield, no interior, no trims, not everything. Here is the missing windshield, but windshield you can buy in Slovakia, Pilkington, for 150 euros, not original of course, not with a green finish, but better than nothing. This car should be from 1987, and this is from August 1988, so it is just the month where was the full upgrade or facelift of this car. So it means it has the new mask, which is not screwed on, but never mind. It has the new steering wheel, but still old dashboard. And one friend of mine says also that the hood is from the facelift. It's looking another little bit. Well, what next? From this red car I should take all of the door trims, maybe the headliner. The electrical stuff, I think it's a little bit messed, because here I found, this is the minus, but here are some scrapped wires. Here is something which is unplugged. I don't know what is it. Here is also some wires. Well, not the best call. I think this was repaired before, but this arch, a little bit maybe of this sail could be usable. Of course, these trims, they are looking very good. Only the driver, it's collapsed. Here is this is damage also. Well, and what about the sill of the driver's side? Well, rusty underneath. Oh shit, we have some little hole in here. Funny. If you could see the finish of this paint, is terrible. I don't know how would they do that, but oh my gosh. Wheel arch collapsed here. This is good. Inside of the wheel arch actually could be usable. I will cut it somewhere here and then fit to my white. This one, I think it's not savable, and this seal is totally collapsed. It's totally mess, and definitely I cannot use it. Well, but there is some little question. How can I repair the seals? I have a friend of mine who will sell me for 150 euros only the half of the seal, because the front half he used for itself, and there is the just thing which leaves him, and of course it is for driver's side, which I on the wire project need the most, because it is welded, but never mind. I will have to find some guy who is doing some metal work. And for the right side seal, here is missing the big part of the white project, and this will be really difficult. This will be difficult, or remodel it, or just to find some good part. Oh shit, quite hard job. Thank you, and if I will do something else, I will record. Have a nice day. Bye.